Hello, my name is Michelle Barrial, and I'm here to welcome you to our event, which is called the Lionsgate Virtual Psychic Healing Fair. It's going to be held on August 8th, and it's going to be held virtually through Zoom. So it's safe and easy and convenient to attend. I'm one of 30 speakers who's going to be offering a presentation. My presentation is going to be to discover how to boost your immune system and your energy through vibrational healing energy. And so I look forward to speaking to you and seeing you through Zoom. And also, we will be having vendors, we will be having lectures, we will be having private sessions, and also we will be having demonstrations of different techniques. And we'll be having a ceremonies to be able to open up the Lion's Portal. This is known as a special time during the year on August 8th when a portal is opened, which allows for more light and love and energy to come into our world. And this is so essential, especially at this time of uncertainty. So we're looking forward to welcoming you, to being able to join us here, to be able to experience these uplifting energies to balance your physical, mental, and emotional life. So I actually started in this path many years ago. I started back in 1993 when I discovered my desires to be able to bring balance into my own life through meditation. I began taking meditation classes. I also was interested in feeling better physically as I was having some physical symptoms that I wanted to clear away. So I went to receive Reiki energy, and I discovered that I really enjoyed the energy, and I decided to become a teacher myself. So I studied Reiki and became a Reiki master, and that changed the course of my life to be able to share this wonderful, beautiful energy with different participants as I was involved in Reiki circles, and I began to actually help people individually through sessions, and people wanted to experience and learn more about this energy, so I became a teacher of Reiki. And then I began to explore other avenues. I also explored hypnosis, became a certified hypnotherapist, and I also became certified as a sound healer. So I practice using vibrational medicine with aromatherapy and crystals, and also using sound for healing. And in using all of these different techniques and modalities, I have found that clients have benefited a great deal, being able to relieve their stress and anxieties, being able to accomplish their goals because they have clear focus of their intention and are able to manifest their goals personally and professionally in their lives. So I feel confident that in using my skills as a healer and my intuition that guides me, that I am able to help my clients to be able to receive these benefits, to be able to have happier lives, feel more relaxed, and enjoy. That's the main reason for living here on planet Earth, is to experience more joy, right? So all of us can have that if we can experience having a healing through our bodies and healing of our thoughts, to be able to produce in our lives the enjoyment of receiving abundance and prosperity and greater health. And these things can be obtained. I have worked with many, many clients over the years to be able to obtain these goals for themselves. And I actually am very proud to say that many clients have left testimonials on my website, which, by the way, is www.healingheartsandminds.com. And my topic, as I said, is going to be how to boost your energy and how to boost your immune system through vibrational healing energy. My talk is going to be at that time 333, that magical number as I mentioned, which is the number for the Ascended Masters and Teachers. And so I am looking forward to seeing you at this event virtually. And my room number is actually room number 23, so you can find me there. So if you have any questions, you can reach me also by email, which is michelle@healingheartsandminds.com, or you can also receive a free guide on my website, which is healingheartsandminds.com, for stress stoppers, 7 simple stress stoppers. So this free report will help you during this time of uncertainty and a time of great stress for many people here on planet Earth. So I look forward again to seeing you there during our event, and have many blessings. Namaste.